You ever feel like you're getting audited even when you're not? Relax. It's probably all the stuff they have in the news about the IRS hiring new revenue agents, and it's after tax season, so they're just a little more aggressive. But maybe you got a letter from the IRS. Let me tell you, tax season doesn't have to be that stressful. Me and the team at Best Tax Pro are here to help. Whether you get a letter from the IRS in the mail, you're going through an audit with the IRS, your case is currently in collections, your next step is appeals, or you're headed towards U.S. tax court, we've got you covered. We have a former IRS revenue officer on our team. We have former appellate officers on our team. They used to be called settlement officers. We have a pile of tax attorneys and revenue agents galore. At Best Tax Pro, we're here to get you out of trouble. We help you devise the best exit strategy from your tax problems, so we can help you understand what you owe, if you owe the IRS, file that pile of unfiled tax returns that you've been sitting on for years, let you know what the Taxpayer Bill of Rights is all about, and maybe, just maybe, give you more peace of mind. This tax season, ditch the stress and let the team at Best Tax Pro, take care of your tax problems and let us be your tax hero. Click on the link below or give us a call at 763-477-4205. We're here waiting for you for your free 30-minute consultation to let us take a look at your tax problem and see how we might be able to help. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.